Is your Eufy RoboVac making a loud, rattling, or grinding noise? First, find the exact source of the noise. Isolating the noise source reduces unnecessary troubleshooting steps and focuses your efforts where they're needed. Here's what you should do. Remove the roller brush and turn on the vacuum. Does the noise persist? If yes, the issue may not be the brush, but other internal parts. Gently spin the side brushes. Do you hear clicking or grinding sounds? This could indicate a problem with the side brush motors. Run the vacuum on both hard floors and carpets. A change in sound might suggest issues with wheels or suction. Now let's dive into specific causes for a noisy Eufy and how to fix them. Reason number 1, hair and debris buildup. Hair and dirt can accumulate in the rolling brush bearings, blocking its movement or causing grinding sounds. Here's how to fix it. Remove the roller brush cap to access the bearing. Use a small screwdriver to carefully pry out the bearing. Clean it with a cloth and ensure it spins freely. You can also apply a small amount of dry lubricant to reduce future friction. Reason number 2, worn or misaligned parts. Worn out components such as side brush motors, rolling brush ends, or brush guards can create rattling or grinding noises. Here's how to fix it. Wrap duct tape or electrical tape around the square or circular ends of the roller brush to reduce noise caused by loose connections. Apply tape to stabilize the side brushes if they move too much side to side. Reason number 3, loose screws. Loose screws in the vacuum assembly can create vibrations amplifying noise. Here's how to fix them. Flip the vacuum over and check all screws, especially those near the suction fan, brushes, and wheels. Tighten any that feel loose. Reason number 4, high suction noise. If the noise is coming from the vacuum working on max suction mode, it is normal. You can adjust the suction mode to standard or boost IQ mode if you want. It's important to know when to replace parts of your Eufy to keep its performance spot on. Replace rolling brushes every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage. If you notice worn bristles or noise during operation, it's time for a replacement. Replace side brush motors if their gears are stripped or damaged, as they can cause grinding sounds. And here are some tips for regular maintenance of your Eufy. Clean the brushes, filters, and suction fan after every 3 to 5 uses. Periodically inspect the bearings, wheels, and brush guards for any signs of wear or dirt buildup. If your RoboVac is still noisy after trying all these fixes, contact Eufy support. And for an actionable troubleshooting guide to fix the Shark vacuum roller brush, watch this video next.